This is a video showing my MR1 that's been modified with a CNCDepot FM30F spindle. And right here it's just measuring the probe, and then it will start doing the first tool change. Now I'm changing to a 3/8 end mill. And now it's measuring the end mill. I wish I hadn't put the door there. There's a 10-second delay while the spindle comes up to speed. This cut is at 10,000 RPM, 40 inches per minute, and 3/16 of an inch depth of cut. Cutting two raised bosses. One is a circle and one is an 8-pointed star. That finished the roughing pass. Now we're going to put in an 1/8" end mill for a finished pass. I don't have the right collet holder yet, so it's backing up 2 collet holders, which isn't ideal. And now it's going to do some chamfering and engraving. So it's just measuring this tool. And that's it. That was 3 tools in a very short program.